Hello guys, I'm Baby Shark and today we're going to make some awesome slime. So first we have some water in here and now we're going to add the glue. Alright guys, now we're going to put the color in. I'm going to choose some blue. Now it's time for some strawberry scent. Now we're going to mix. Ooh, it looks so slimy already. Whoa, look at that blue color. Whoa. Now we gotta do some activator. That's enough. Now to mix. Now we're gonna add the purple glitter. Now it's time to mix it. Ooh, so glittery. It looks like a glitter party. Whoa, so cool and so glittery. Whoa, this slime is so fun and glittery. Whoa!